Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Cash App. You will go to settings, this first page here of settings. In this window you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Cash and you will click here. In this window of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app, so please don't forget to support us by liking.